What are you pouring today? Weiss beer.
We've got Cut My Lime into Pieces, a Mexican lager, an Italian Pilsner we did with Irrelevant, and Purple Peach 69 at hotmail.com is a new hazy, and Bob You're Cut Off is a new West Coast we got.
Structures Brewing in Bellingham.
Our Edel Pilsner, our All Citra Triple Dry Hopped Fuzz flagship IPA. Thank you for 9 years. Our Bourbon Barrel Aged Double Wild Turkey Imperial Stout, and our Push Pop Orange Sour Smoothie.
Matchless.
We're pouring our Honk If You're Hoppy. It's a brand new hazy IPA for us. And then we've also got our cheap beer. It's going to be our domestic lager, priced like a cheap beer.
Fort Generals Brewing.
We are pouring our World Beer Cup Silver Medal Goza and our Wells Helles, so a Munich Helles.
At Bill Breaker booth.
Pouring our Mango Summer Ale and a beer off our imagination station called Ben Dazed.
Soup Brewing.
We've got our current rotating IPA. It's our first Pride IPA, Rainbow Bubbles. We've got our Mexican lager, Cervecita. And then the one I'm most excited about is we did a mixed culture saison.
From Lumber Beer Brewing.
We're pouring Flavor Nuggets Hazy IPA, Lake Beer Pilsner, and then at 2 p.m. we're pouring our Anniversary Barley Wine.
Urban Family.
Pouring one hazy IPA, Queen Cobra. It's our Pride beer with a little experimental 1019, HBC 1019, and a little bit of Citra. We also got one of our sours, Hot Cake, which is a sour ale with boysenberry and maple extract.
At the Rubens booth.
We've got our Crushable Hazy Pale, and then our Summer IPA, which is a seasonal IPA that we make.
We also have our Bourbon Barrel Aged Imperial Stout Peanut Butter Cup. We've got a couple of our newest NA options available, a Golden Ale and a West Coast IPA.
Larrabee Beer Company.
Summer Brow Summer Lager. It's a hoppy rice lager. It's got a Motueka hop, so it has this like citrus mojito lime to it. It's super bomb. And then we have our Squeeze a Day Lemon Radler. And if you haven't had a Radler, it's really refreshing, and it's got tons of lemon puree in it.
From Rooftop Brewing.
We got our La Azotea Mexi Lager and our Tropical Staycation IPA, which are two of our flagship beers. And then we're pouring Old Seattle Lager, which is a beer that's been around for a while.
Long time.
And for George Hancock's retirement party, we brewed the flagship Red Ale, which is the original recipe from 1990.
Hellbent Brewing.
Pouring a barley wine, our 10th anniversary hazy IPA, and our Pride and No Prejudice Pride Month West Coast Pilsner.
Nice. I'm at Well 80.
Today we're pouring our original lager 64. It's a 60s version of Olympia beer. We've got our Handsome Paul's Pale Ale, all strata hopped. Our 80 pounds of hops hazy IPA, our Beach Break Tropical Wheat Ale, and our Hell's Well. It's a bourbon barrel aged wee heavy.
Nice.